Welcome to the top best. The best Burt's Bees Lip Treatment is probably one of the most sought-after products for anyone battling dry, chapped lips, especially overnight, as it promises to deliver intense hydration and repair while you sleep, transforming your pout into a soft, supple, and kissable canvas by morning, making it an essential addition to your nighttime skincare routine for visibly smoother and healthier-looking lips. Number 5. Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment. Are your lips feeling dry and chapped? Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment is here to help. It provides long-lasting moisture to soothe and protect. Experience continuous hydration with this powerful lip ointment. It forms a protective barrier to keep your lips moisturized for hours. Our carefully crafted formula is designed to be gentle on sensitive lips. It effectively relieves discomfort and promotes healing. The easy-to-use tube allows for precise application anytime, anywhere. Keep it in your pocket or purse for on-the-go relief. Choose Aquaphor Lip Repair Ointment for visibly smoother and healthier-looking lips. It's the perfect solution for everyday lip care. What we like. This offers exceptional long-lasting moisture. It is perfect for those who need constant hydration throughout the day. If your lips are frequently dry and chapped, this is your go-to solution. What people say. This lip treatment is a game-changer for dry, chapped lips. It provides intense hydration and leaves lips feeling soft and smooth overnight. The balm has a pleasant, subtle scent and a non-greasy texture that absorbs well. Number 4. Natural Lip Butter Sleeping Lip Mask. Tired of dry, chapped lips? Our natural lip butter is designed to deeply moisturize and condition your lips overnight. Experience the difference of truly hydrated lips. This intensive lip balm works while you sleep to restore and nourish your delicate lip skin. It provides lasting hydration and a smooth finish. Enriched with the goodness of mango butter, this lip mask offers a rich, creamy texture. It's the perfect therapy for dry lips, leaving them feeling supple. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to beautifully soft lips every morning. This is your essential step for healthy-looking lips. Crafted with 100% natural ingredients, it's a gentle yet effective way to care for your lips. Enjoy the pure, nourishing benefits for all-day comfort. What we like. Experience intensive overnight repair with this lip butter. Its rich formula deeply moisturizes and conditions. If you wake up with soft, supple lips every morning, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for dry lips. It works wonders overnight, leaving lips feeling soft and hydrated. The texture is smooth and not sticky, making it comfortable to wear. Number 3. ANAI Hydrating Lip Mask and Scrub Set. Discover the ultimate solution for soft, smooth lips. This set is designed to revitalize your pout. Our lip scrub gently buffs away dryness, while the mask deeply hydrates. Achieve a noticeably softer texture. Apply the mask before bed for an overnight treatment. Wake up to a smoother, more supple pout. Feel good about your beauty choices. Our products are proudly vegan and cruelty-free. Enjoy the invigorating scent of grapefruit as you pamper your lips. It's a delightful sensory experience. Experience the combined power of exfoliation and hydration. Get ready for your softest, smoothest lips ever. What we like. This set provides a dual-action treatment for softer, smoother lips. It's a great option for those seeking a complete lip care routine. If you prefer vegan and cruelty-free products with a refreshing scent, this set is perfect. What people say. It's a thick balm that stays put all night. It leaves my lips feeling incredibly soft and moisturized by morning. This lip treatment is very effective at healing dry, chapped lips overnight. Number 2. Burt's Bees Lip Balm Variety Pack. Introducing the Burt's Bees Lip Balm Variety Pack. It's a collection of 4 nourishing lip balms to keep your lips hydrated and healthy. This pack includes beeswax, strawberry, coconut and pear, and vanilla bean flavors. You can enjoy a different scent and taste every day. Crafted with responsibly sourced beeswax, these balms provide a natural way to care for your lips. It's a touch of nature's goodness in every application. Enjoy the natural, tint-free treatment for your lips. It enhances your natural beauty without any added color. With 4 tubes, each 0.15 ounces, you'll have plenty to share or keep one in every bag. It's the perfect lip treatment for your daily routine. What we like. Enjoy a variety of natural flavors with this pack. These balms are great for everyday use and offer a pleasant sensory experience. If you like to switch up your lip balm flavors and prefer natural ingredients, this multipack is a fantastic option. What people say. The balm goes on smooth and doesn't feel greasy or sticky. It lasts a long time, even in the dry mountain air, and you don't have to keep reapplying every hour. These are also free from weird ingredients, which matters to us. Just clean, natural moisture that actually works. I use it before going to bed at night and my lips have the same amount of moisture in the morning when I wake up. Number 1. Burts Bees Original Overnight Intensive Lip Treatment. Tired of dry, chapped lips? Our intensive overnight treatment works while you sleep to restore and moisturize. This rich formula is designed for deep hydration, targeting dryness and restoring your lips' natural softness. Experience a visible reduction in fine lines around your lips. It helps to smooth and rejuvenate the delicate skin. Enriched with vitamin E, ceramides, and nourishing oils, it provides essential nutrients for healthier-looking lips. Made with ingredients derived from nature, it's a gentle yet effective way to care for your lips overnight. Wake up to lips that feel replenished and deeply hydrated. It's the perfect way to end your day and start your morning. What we like. This offers restorative overnight care that also targets fine lines. Its advanced formula nourishes and revitalizes. If you're looking for an overnight treatment that goes beyond basic hydration and addresses signs of aging, this is the one to choose. What people say. This lip treatment is very moisturizing and makes lips feel soft and smooth. It helps to heal dry and chapped lips overnight, leaving them plump and hydrated. The balm has a pleasant, subtle scent and a nice texture that isn't too sticky. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.